Hello friends, myself Aditya Sangre from Computer Science and Engineering Department of IoT Cybersecurity Blockchain Technology. I am doing this activity for IMOR, that is Open Related Subject IAC activity. My topic name is Transportation Model by Vogel Approximation. The transportation model, also known as transportation model, is a mathematical technique used in operation research to solve transportation and distribution problems. The Vogel approximation method is an improvement over the basic transportation method and is used to find an initial feasible solution quickly. Here is a step-by-step explanation of transportation method using the Vogel approximation method illustrated with an example. Suppose in this uh, transportation model, we need to set up the problem first. Then set up the problem. One is set up the problem. Second, we need to do is calculate the penalties. Then we need to find the highest penalty. Allocate the supplies. Then repeat this step till the recalculate the penalties of the remaining rows and columns. Continue the process until all supplies and demands are fulfilled. So we can do this experiment with one example of demands and supplies. We have three factories, F1, F2, F3, and four warehouses, W1, W2, W3, W3, W4. The transportation cost per unit from each factory to each warehouse are provided. The objectives we can get is that it can be used to determine the optimal transportation plan that minimizes the total transportation cost, satisfying the supply from factories and demand from warehouse steps. We are going to calculate the penalties as shown here. Calculate the penalties for each factories and warehouse. Find the difference between the two lowest transportation cost in their respective rows and columns. This gives us a measure of the cost penalty for not selecting the cheapest option. It is select the row or column with the highest penalty. So first work is to make the matrix box of warehouses W1, W2. Sorry. We'll make it small font. W1, W2, W3, W4, and the columns with an F1, F2, F3, F1, F2, F3. Then the specific demands will be given 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This is all about and the cost is given here. The warehouses, the supplies demand is given. So we need to calculate first penalties. It is in the selected row or column, allocate as much as possible to the cell with the lowest transportation cost. This step aims to maximize cost saving by selecting the cheapest available option. Update the transportation table. Likewise. This is the problem statement. We are going to solve it now. Here, the question is that to find find the initial basic feasible solution for the VAM method. The demands in here, demands and supplies are given. We had put it in the matrix system. We are given some supplies and demands. Now we are going for the solution. We will change the color of the font. First we need to calculate the total supply and total demand to check whether it is balanced or unbalanced. Total supply. You can guess how it can be the total supply. Total supply is the addition of all the supplies here. 250 plus 300 plus 400 and total demand. Total demand 225 plus 275 plus 250 plus something, it is remaining 2 minutes. This was remaining 200 plus 200. 250 plus 300 400 is equal to 950. 225 plus 275 plus 250 plus 200 200 and 450 450 500 600 plus 50. It is also 950. Hence total supply is equal to total demand. Hence it is balanced. Now when it is balanced, the problem is balanced as the total supply is equal to total demand. We find the initial basic feasible solution as given in the following table. Now what were the steps to follow? It was first we had set up the problem. Now we need to calculate the penalties. Calculate the penalties. We will calculate the penalties now. We will rough it first. Hope all have noted this. Now penalty 1, we will point it here. Penalty 1, when we will see the penalty, we need to see the least second, we need to minus second minimum in row from first minimum. Here the second minimum is 11, second minimum is 13 and first 11 minimum is 11. So here the penalty will be 2. Likewise here the penalty is 4. Here penalty is 0. Penalty is 3. Same likewise P1. Penalty is 5, 5, 1, 0. Now we can check 2, 4, 3, 5. Here the increased one is 5, so we can draw it likewise. And here 2, 4, 3. We in this row we will give here in all the penalties the 5 is the greatest one. We can give it here as well, and here this 5 also. We will give to first 5. The demand is 200 and 250. We will give this to 11. We will allocate this 200 demand to 0.11. Now it can be happen 50. 50 will remain. So first penalty is completed. Likewise we will take second penalty. Penalty is 1, 4, 3, 5, we should cut first. We should keep in mind we should cut it 5, 1, 13, 14, 1, 0. Penalty 2, which is biggest greater one. So we'll check it. What we can do is here we can allocate this 50 remaining to 13, this small one. Hence it is being diverged. Now third penalty we will take. Penalty is 3, 4, no 3, not 4, 3. Penalty 3, 1, 0. And 6. Now second we need to give here 225. 275 it is, sorry, 225. $175. Here the demand will complete at 0. 175 minus 300, it goes 125. Penalty 4 we will take. Penalty 4, 24, 3, 1, 0. Penalty 4. Now we will allocate it here. Now 275, here we can see this 275. We will allocate it directly to this 275. 13, penalty phi 4310. Directly we are going to allocate this 0 to here. $125, remaining it is going to have $125 cut. So all the penalties we had completed it here. We will make it some rough edge to understand remaining one. These penalties we will rough. Hope this step is completed of penalties. Now here we will redraw this matrix in such a way that we can it will be easy to calculate. One, two, three, four, five. We will directly do it here only. Here we can see number of allocated cell. Number of allocated cell is equal to m plus n minus 1. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we had satisfied this. There are 6 positive independent allocations. Hence, there are 6 positive independent allocation. Now, transportation we can make it. We should multiply this. Transportation we will do it here. In yellow we will take 11 into 200 plus 13 into 50 plus 18 into 175 plus 13 into 275 plus 10 into 125 plus 10 into 125. 1, 2, 3. Hence it is 6, 1, 4, 5, 6 is equal to calculation it is done. 12075. Hence this is the solution of transportation method. Find the initial basic feasible solution for the Vogel approximation method. Hence we had completed it. This is all about the solution we had taken. If you want to make it, we can see it by taking its skip back. Thank you.